Hello mga kabalik, mga ka-mindshift. Today, I want to talk about something na matagal na nating nararamdaman. Pero bihira nating hinaharap ng diretsyo. Corruption in the Philippines. From the barangay level to the city level, to the province hanggang sa national government. We all see it, we all feel it. And for many of us, parang part na lang talaga ng sistema. And let's be honest, corruption here isn't an accident, it's a pattern. A routine, a tradition passed along from one administration to the next. Barangay level pa lang, may palakasan. City level, may padrino. Provincial level, may SOP. National level, same pattern. Mas malaki nga lang. At ang masakit, maraming Pilipinong hindi nagugulat. Parang napapagod na lang. Napapagod sa paulit-ulit na panggagago ng sistema. The biggest challenge is this. Paano mo sisirain ang korupsyon kung yung justice system mismo may kaalyado? Kung ang police, prosecutor, ombudsman, or agency heads are politically aligned. Ang ending, whitewash. Sweep under the rug. Case closed. Pilipinas, move on ulit. Actually, the truth is simple. A system cannot fix itself kung yung guardians of the system are part of the problem. But mga kabalik, mga ka-mindshift, here's what we tend to forget. Corruption doesn't begin in Malacanang. It doesn't begin in Congress. It begins in mindset. Balik values isn't about nostalgia. It's not about going back to the old days. It's about going back to who we are supposed to be. Honesty, dignity, respeto, malasakit at integrity. Alam nyo, you cannot demand clean leadership if the culture underneath is dirty. You cannot expect national integrity kung community level pa lang palusot na. So ano ba ang pwede nating gawin? Hindi naman tayo Avengers, hindi tayo Justice League. Pero we can make real practical moves. Number 1, call things out, clearly, respectfully, with courage. Number 2, support independent media and watchdog groups. Kapag wala nagbabantay, lalakas ang abuso. Number 3, create community awareness. Talk about issues, teach kids, educate neighbors. Number 4, vote based on values, not giveaways or utang na loob. Ang number 5, live with integrity sa maliit na bagay. Alam nyo, you can't kill corruption from the top if we keep feeding it from the bottom. At alam mo kung bakit may pag-asa pang Pilipinas. Because whenever there's a crisis gaya ng bagyo, baha, sakuna, the Filipino spirit rises. Hindi tayong masamang tao. We're good people stuck in a corrupted system. And ang system can be rebuilt once the people wake up. When awareness grows, leaders start to fear the people. And when the leaders fear the people, democracy finally begins to breathe. So mga kabalik, let's take the mind shift. Let's bring back the values that makes us Filipino. Let's rebuild our culture, our communities, our character, one small step at a time. Balik values isn't just a message, it's a movement, and it starts with us. This is Benson. Thank you for listening. Thank you for caring. Balik Value starts with us. Mind shift begins now.
Truth in motion, minds aligned. Across park paths, social streams in time. Stories that matter.